Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are safe and fine. Today, we are going to start with a new topic, that is bookkeeping and accounting. What is bookkeeping and what is accounting? We will discuss on this video. So, let's begin with this topic. Now comes towards the meaning of bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is a part of accounting, being a process of recording financial transactions and events in books of accounts. Thus, bookkeeping involves identifying financial transactions and events, measuring them in terms of money, recording the identified transactions and event in books of accounts, and the last one, that is classifying recorded transactions and event, that is posting them into. Here the bookkeeping is a part of accounting, as we have discussed the meaning of accounting also. So under bookkeeping, first of all, we identify the financial transaction and event, and then after we'll measure these financial transaction and event in terms of money. That means whatever transactions being incurred in an organization, that transaction will be converted in terms of money. Then after the conversion of this transaction into money, we'll record these initial transactions, or whatever transactions being conducted into an organization, will record this transaction in books of accounts, and that process is known as recording. And after the recording of all business transactions, we classify the recorded transaction in books of accounts. And this whole process is known as bookkeeping. Okay, so first of all, identification of business transaction event, measuring these financial transactions in terms of money, and then after we'll record these all financial transactions in books of accounts, and after the recording the financial transaction, we classify these recorded transactions, that is known as bookkeeping. Okay, this all four process is known as bookkeeping. Now comes towards the another slide. Now comes towards this diagram for better explanation of accounting or bookkeeping. As we have discussed earlier in our very first video about the meaning of accounting and its process with this diagram. Okay, so in sense, identification of business transactions, measurement these all business transactions in terms of money, then after recording these all business transactions, and the classification process of all the business transactions, that comes under bookkeeping. I repeat, identification of business transaction, measurement, this all business transaction in terms of money, and then after this all business transaction is going to be recorded in books of accounts, and after recording these transactions, the recorded transaction being classified, this all four process comes under the bookkeeping. And after this four process, will go through the summarizations of the recorded transactions, and then we'll analyze or interpret the recorded transaction, and then we will communicate with the users of who directly or indirectly interested in your books of accounts. Okay, so this whole four process will comes under the bookkeeping, and after this process comes under the accounting. Actually, this whole process is known as accounting, but initial four process comes under the bookkeeping, and then after summarizing, analyzing, and interpretation and communication to the users will come under the accounting, as accounting is a wider concept than bookkeeping. I hope this is clear to you all. Now comes towards the another slide. Here accounting is a wider concept than bookkeeping. It starts where bookkeeping ends. As I have discussed right now also, that after the recording and classifying process, will start the process of accounting. Okay, and in this process we'll start with summarizations of recorded transactions. Okay, so in other words, it is concerned with summarizing the recorded transactions and event. So whatever the recorded transactions, we will summarize this all recorded transaction in one place, and after that summarization will analyze or interpret this transaction, and will communicate with the users who are interested in your results of books of accounts. Okay, so results is uh, statement of profit and loss account, or whatever the balance sheet. Okay, and this will be communicated with the users. And who are the users? About the users we will discuss in our next class. Okay, so bookkeeping is a part of accounting. I repeat, bookkeeping is a part of accounting. Okay, accounting is a wider concept, and bookkeeping comes under accounting. And whenever bookkeeping ends, accounting starts. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you all. Now comes towards the another slide. Now we'll go through the differences between bookkeeping and accounting. What are the basic differences between bookkeeping and accounting? We'll discuss in our next slide. Okay, so comes towards the next slide. Here, the differences between bookkeeping and accounting. Here you can see bookkeeping and accounting, and these are the basis. On basis of that, we can differentiate the bookkeeping and accounting. Now comes towards first of all scope. Bookkeeping is concerned with identification of financial transaction and event, measuring them in terms of money, and recording them in books of accounts and classifying them. As right now we have discussed about it. Okay, what is bookkeeping? So first of all, identification of business transactions. Then after measuring this business transaction in terms of money. Okay, then after we'll record these all business transaction in books of accounts and classifying them. Okay, and accounting is concerned with summarizing recorded transactions and event, interpreting or analyzing them, and communicating the results with users. Okay, so whatever the recording activity is being conducted or done under the process of bookkeeping, after the classification process, accounting starts, under which summarizations, analyzing or interpretation, and communication with the users, these activities being performed under the accounting. Okay, it is primary stage. It is the basic for accounting. So it is a primary stage of recording the business transaction in books of account, and it is the basis of accounting. Basis, that means identification of business transaction and recording these all business transaction in books of accounts. That is the basic activities being performed by or under the bookkeeping. It is the secondary stage. It begins where bookkeeping ends. So accounting is the second stage. It begins where the bookkeeping ends. Now comes towards the objective. The objective of bookkeeping is to maintain systematic records of financial transaction. Whatever activities or transaction being incurred into an organization, these all activities or business transaction being going to be recorded in books of accounts. Okay, and this process is known as bookkeeping. Okay, so initial recording of all business transaction comes under the bookkeeping, and the objective of accounting is to ascertain net result of operations and financial position, and to communicate informations to the interested parties. Okay, so bookkeeping, after bookkeeping, the objective of accounting is to ascertain the result, that means whatever profit or losses being incurred into an organization, that is the basic result of an organization or institution. And financial position, that means what is the position of your business, that comes under the accounting. Okay, so the objective of bookkeeping to ascertain the net result or operations and financial position of the business, to communicate these all result with the users, that means interested parties who are directly or indirectly interested in your business. As I've said right now that we will discuss about the users in our next class. Now comes towards the nature of job. This job is routine in nature. That means the work of bookkeeping is routine in nature, and in the process of work of bookkeeping, there is no any change. Whatever activity being performed by the bookkeeper, that activity has to be performed by him on daily basis. Okay. Now comes to this job is analytical and dynamic in nature. That means whatever the senior staffs perform this activity of accounting, this is a analytical type of job, or it is full of dynamic. Okay, now comes towards the another, that is performance. It being a routine work is performed by a junior staff. So a work of bookkeeping is a routine activity and it has to be performed by the junior staff. Okay, that means those who are having good knowledge in recording the business transactions, that person can conduct the activity of bookkeeping. Okay, now comes towards the accounting. It being a specialized function is performed by the senior staff. The process of accounting or the work of accounting cannot conducted by a simple person. It should be performed by the specialized person who is having a special knowledge and skill in the field of accounting. Okay, so the activity of accounting can be performed by the specialized person like a chartered accountant or cost accountant. Now comes towards the special skills. Bookkeeping is mechanical in nature, thus doesn't require special skills. So bookkeeping is a natural activities and it is a natural work and doesn't require a special skill to record all the business transactions. Those who are having good knowledge in books of accounts or whatever the good knowledge in accounting, that person can conduct the activity of bookkeeping. Okay, but comes towards the accounting requires special skills and ability to analyze and interpret of all the business transactions. So it requires a special skill or knowledge of accounting. That particular person can handle the work of accounting. Okay, those who are having good skill in field of accounting, that particular person can conduct the activity of accounting. Like a chartered accountant who are having specialized knowledge in field of accounting, that particular person can conduct the activity of accounting. Okay, so this is the basic differences between the bookkeeping and accounting. Now this is the end of this video. आई नो कि हम लोग थोड़ा थ्योरेटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट पर ज़्यादा फोकस कर रहे हैं अभी, बट अकाउंटिंग इज़ अ वेरी न्यू सब्जेक्ट फॉर यू ऑल, तो इसको हम लोग थोड़ा धीरे धीरे थ्योरेटिकल नॉलेज के साथ साथ स्ट्रॉन्ग करते चलेंगे एंड आफ्टर फ्यू डेज विल स्टार्ट दी प्रैक्टिकल कॉन्सेप्ट. ओके, so now this is the end of this video. I hope you are learning this new subject positively, and through this subject I am discussing about this whole topic in detail. So write down the concerned topic in your notebook. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks for listening, and as always, God bless you all.